That is fair down the right field line, and on the first pitch, Mike Trout ends up with a double. And just for good measure, the Millville, New Jersey native goes headfirst into second base.
Grew up about equidistant to New York and Philadelphia. He chose the Phillies and the Eagles as his teams. Doubles on his first pitch tonight.
That's in the air to right, well hit. Back is Puig at the wall, off the wall. Jeter will round third and score. Trout digging for three, and he'll make it with an RBI triple. ALF 1-0. That's chopped to third. It's a fair ball. It gets past Ramirez. One run will score. That's Norris. They bring Ramirez and now Holden as Gomez comes up firing, and the AL leads it again 4-3.
Thank you very much, Aaron. And Mike, congratulations on winning the Ted Williams Most Valuable Player Award presented by Chevrolet, as Aaron said. And 3 years as an all-star already with a great future. And already you've represented our sport just extraordinarily well. And we're all proud. And you got, I think, many of these ahead of you. But congratulations, well deserved.
Thank you. That's into right field. Pretty well hit. Back at the wall. Gone. A home run for Mike Trout. And in this ballpark where the baseball flies, Trout all smiles. AL leads 1-0. Here comes 2-2. Base hit. He is a freaking machine.